My daughter in the UK has put to bed, and I had to go babysit for a while.
Really?
You know, Grandma.
Which of your daughters?
Mamiya.
Mamiya, my fashionista. Are we supposed to tell our clients to wait so we go buy shampoo? We deliver to our clients irrespective of our challenges. No excuses whatsoever.
We are here to serve you. Which of our services are you here for? We do nails, we do hair.
Don't worry. Your madam herself will attend to me.
What the hell are you doing here?
What does it look like?
Answer my question.
Well, in case you can't deduce that for yourself, I'm here to visit my only daughter.
I can't believe you have the nerve. After all the disgrace you have brought upon me.
Oh, come on. That's all in the past.
You got just 3 weeks ago past.